How to apply for a loan on Capitec Bank. To do so, quickly go ahead and open up a web browser. Once you open up your web browser, search for apply for a loan, and then it will show you related search results for your search. Click on this first link, which will directly take you to this tab from where you can easily apply for a loan. You can select between whether you would like to apply for a personal loan or business. And once you make the selection, click on this "See how much you could get" button. It will then take you to a next page where you'll need to enter your personal information, verify who you are, and complete through your application. Click on the Get Started button and make sure you have all of the necessary documents such as your ID, proof of residence, and proof of income. Now, complete your loan application form, which will require some personal and financial information. Now, in this personal information tab, go ahead and enter all of the necessary details about you, and finally click on these two boxes. Click on "I'm not a robot" in order to complete through the CAPTCHA and click Next. Once you have all of the information correct and you're eligible for the loan, you'll be able to apply for a loan from Capitec Bank. Once you submit your application, you'll need to wait for the bank's decision on your loan application. If your loan has been approved, review and sign the loan agreement. Once it is done with all of the processing, the funds will be dispersed into your Capitec Bank account or as agreed upon. That is how you'll be able to apply for a Capitec Bank loan. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you next time with another tutorial video. Thank you for watching.